I'm so thrilled to see that over the past almost 20 years, each year you almost get to see a new avatar of things that are happening. Some years ago, we always believed that you need to have a guru and you need to have a bunch of sishyas. That whole thing has been disintermediated because there are now several gurus. You can learn from each other. And the one that's playing a huge role in all of this is technology. If you look at what's happening with AI, what's happening with bots and all that, what it also means is it's disrupting the workplace in a very positive way. Three things. One is to do with the whole experience of how work is shaped. Two, the way consumers get to see what's happening with what's being delivered as work. And the third one is all around how people are also finding that they can use technology, make their lives a lot more simpler even as they deliver work. So in a way, they are learning, they are growing, and then of course, if you go back into the past and use transportation as an analogy, there was a time when our fathers were boasting about the cycles that they had, that they used to go to work. Today, whoever thought that we are living in an age where we are now saying we're going to move away even from cars to driverless cars. So that's the big shift that's happening. Technology is in the thick and center of all of that.